Hi there, my name's Jeremy, Research Analyst at Bauer Media Group. Almost 1,000 transport workers across Australia responded to our survey. We spoke with a variety of people, from drivers and owner-operators to major fleet operators and senior logistics and supply chain managers. The respondents work across a range of sectors, including freight and transport, warehousing, logistics, manufacturing, and building and construction. We found that about half of the respondents worked in small businesses with less than 10 people and less than 10 vehicles in their fleet. However, about 1 in 10 respondents actually worked for large organisations with over 500 employees and over 100 vehicles in their fleet. Contact us for more details.